Hi guys, today I am going to unbox mini fan. It is very stylish and a cool product. I have brought it from Amazon.in. I have brought it for rupees 399 INR. Now as you can see, it is firmly packed in thick polythene so that water or dust contents may not get into it while or during seepage. And here there is a product barcode. It is shipped by Amazon Seller Services Private Limited. And here I have taken out my pair of scissors and I will be ripping it open so that the contents will be revealed to you. The product model number is HB168. Now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my pair of scissors and here the contents will be almost be revealed to you. Here the product is almost out. Here it is further packed in hard cardboard, and here there is polythene foam so that any physical damage to the product may not occur. And here is the cardboard box. As you can see, I am taking it out, and here is it. And this is mini fan air conditioning. It is provided with USB plug. It is water cooled. It can accommodate 50 ml of water. It is push button, and you can also put fragrance so that there will be nice scented while you are switching on the fan. You can have a nice scent around. It comes in different shades and you can clearly see the model number HB168, and the USB is a 5 volt. And this is mini fan air conditioning, and this is the product as you can see it. And now I will be taking my pair of scissors, and here is my scissors, and now I am going to cut open the seal, and here I have almost cut it out, and here I have opened the lid, and here you can see the nice stylish product. It is mini fan. It is pinkish in color. It is further packed in polythene as you can see. And I am taking it out. I have laid the box aside, and there is a warning that there is a choking hazard because it contains small parts, so that small children may not play with it. And so here there is a USB. As you can see, you can charge it with USB charger. And here there are two turbine fans. As you can see, you can move it up and down. And here on the bottom the bottom is also provided with very nice base. And now I have also again the scissors, and I will be taking out the plastic. As you can see it, I am going to take it out. And here I have taken out my pair of scissors and cutting it open, and here the product will be almost out. The turbine is a blue color as you can see it. You can push it up and down. The air adjusters, and this is the switch. You can move it forward and backward, and these are the turbine fans. And here there is the USB port, and here it is provided with battery casing. You can put 3 batteries in case there is no power or anything. You can put the batteries, and so that anytime you feel hot you can enjoy the cool air. And this is the casing, and now I have put the casing, and this is the mini fan as you can see. And here you can see this is the water tank. It is a 50 ml capacity. This is the water storage box. As you can see, it is also pinkish in color. It is also sealed. I have taken out my scissors and I am now cutting open the seal. As you can see it, here I am taking it out. It's also very nice. and here I am taking out, you can see, and here I have taken it out. It is provided with a lid. I am going to open the lid, and this is the lid, so that if you don't use, you can put the lid and keep it safe. And this is a long USB cable. It is black in color, as you can see it. It is also packed. I am now unpacking it, as you can see it. And here, this is the long USB, and this is the port which you can plug at the back side. And these are the fragrance ball. You can fit 50 ml of water. There are nice pink balls, pink, yellow, blue, and it is also packed in polythene. And this is the box. It is a 50 ml capacity. Now I will be putting the jack. Here I have put the jack, as you can see, so that it can be charged with electricity. And this is the USB. This is the power adapter. I have brought it from local market. It is white in color, as you can see. I have purchased it from local market. Its model number is CF45. Now I will be putting the USB cable. Here I have put the cable, and this is the long black USB cable. On the back side I have firmly put the jack here, as you can see, and this is the AC board. I have put the plug in the board, and now I am going to switch it on. And here I am switching it on. Here, as you can see, I have switched it on, and the fan is rotating, as you can see. And this is the switch. I have put on the switch. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.